Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to introduce myself to you guys before I kick off my first YouTube video. I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so I said, why not? Let's just do it. Let's get into it. But let me again introduce myself. My name is Kayla. I am married to a wonderful man. We have 3 kids together. And hopefully you guys will hang around with me for a while and I get to know you guys, you get to know me, we can interact and, you know, hopefully have a good time. But let's get into this first video. All right, guys, so what we're gonna be talking about today is some of my favorite self-care products. I think that we all need a little bit of self-care in our lives. We work hard, we have families, we have friends, and sometimes we forget about ourselves. So it's nothing wrong with pampering yourself just a little bit, taking some time out for yourself to recoup, rejuvenate. Everybody has to take time out to make sure they're cared for, because if you don't do it, who else is? But anyway, so I just want to share some of my favorite products with you, and hopefully you like them just as much as I do. Okay, so the first product that I want to share with you guys is sugar scrubs. I love me some sugar scrubs, okay? It's such a good way to exfoliate your body because you need it. You have to rejuvenate yourself. Keep that skin nice and smooth. Your body needs it. Your skin needs that, okay? We got to get that dead skin off. We want smooth, supple skin. So sugar scrubs definitely do the damn thing. I don't have my favorite one with me. I do need to re-up on that one, but I do have another one that I use by the same company. It is Tree Hut. You can find it at Ulta. That's where I buy mine. My favorite one is Moroccan Rose, and that smells so bomb, y'all. It smells so good. I love it. It's my favorite. The one that I'm using right now is this vitamin C by Tree Hut. I do love it. It smells really, really good. It leaves the skin so soft and so smooth, and it's even moisturizing. Like, I really, really enjoy this a lot. So you definitely have to pick this up. Again, I got this at Ulta. So definitely, if you have an Ulta near you, and it doesn't even have to be this brand, but sugar scrubs is definitely a must. You need that in your life. Okay, so the next product I want to talk about is shower oil. If you have not tried shower oil, try some shower oil. I love it. I will never not use it again. This has actually been something like the recent find for me. I'm loving it. So this one that I have right now is by Pacifica. This is their Lavender Moon Body Bath and Shower Oil. So you can use this in the shower, in the tub, put a little bit in your bubble bath. You can use it outside of the shower and tub as well. It doesn't matter. It is amazing. I love to use it after I have exfoliated and washed my body. The last thing I'll use is this. You just rub it on your skin. It's very lightweight. A little bit goes a long way. You rub it in your skin, rinse off, and you are done. I love it. It is amazing stuff. So definitely give it a try, and it smells amazing as well. Okay, so the next thing that I want to talk about is body butter. I have been on a body butter kick. I love regular lotion, don't get me wrong, but this body butter, honey, is really my best friend. I love it. So I have quite a few that I do use. There's one behind me right now, which I should have picked up, but I did not. Actually, let me go get it. Okay, so one of them that I really, really love is by The Body Shop. Again, you can pick this up at Ulta as well. This scent is almond milk and honey. This one says it's for sensitive and dry skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this may be the one for you. Another brand that I love to use, also by Tree Hut, get at Ulta, is the whipped Shea body butter. Whipped, okay? First of all, I never even thought about whipped body butter, but it smells great. This one that I have in my hand right now, I love to use this one at night. This one is the, it has hemp seed oil and lavender, and that is just like a great way to end your night. It's very soothing. It's very calming. It's like a great way to wind down. It's super soothing. It smells delicious. This is definitely a must. Now, another one that I like to use, this one I like to use in the morning. This one has hemp seed oil and eucalyptus in it. This one I love to use in the morning because number one, I don't know about y'all, but I am not a morning person at all. So this one has like a really refreshing scent to it. Like eucalyptus has that really like minty scent. It's very refreshing. And if you're not a morning person like me, you need all the help you can get. I know I need all the help I can get. So this one I really, really love to use for sure. Okay, so this one is a recent find. I haven't tried this yet, but I am looking forward to trying this. These are under eye pads. Now I picked this up at, I don't know if anybody has this in their area, but it's called Burke's Outlet. It's similar to like a TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington. So if you have anything like that, of course you can pick these up in, you know, any kind of store, CVS, Ulta, you can pick these up anywhere. But so this says that it helps reduce puffiness, dark under eye circles, hydrates and renews delicate skin. So I am really looking forward to this. I really want to just kind of incorporate this with my skincare routine, when I'm putting a mask on and just putting them under my eyes and maybe taking a nice bubble bath. I think that's the business. I think that's the way to go. Okay, so the next product I have also recently incorporated, and I've been wanting this for a long time, is a Jade Roller. Y'all, I love this thing. It's amazing. I also picked this up at Burke's Outlet. This one was also like $3.99, $4.99. Again, you can pick this up you can find it on Amazon, you can go to Ulta, you can pretty much find this anywhere. I have been wanting to try this for a while. I love to use it after I put like my serums and oils onto my skin, after I've done a mask. This is amazing when it is cold. It really helps to have all those serums and oils that you put on your face to like really sink in to the skin. It helps the blood to flow, because we want our skin to be nice and supple and looking good. So this is definitely a must for sure. Okay, now, so I don't know if it's just me or if any of you guys do this, but especially at nighttime, I love to mist myself with something, some type of smell good perfume, body spray. That's like literally one of the last things that I do before I get in the bed at night. So some of my favorite ones that I really love to use, have a little version of this. This is Flower Bomb by Victor and Rolf. This smells so amazing. Now this is a little on the expensive side, the bigger ones. That's why I got this little one, but definitely worth it. I am going to pick up a bigger bottle of this because I really, really do love this. Another one that I really love is by Victoria's Secret. My favorite scent from Victoria's Secret is Tease. I love this scent, lifelong fan. I love this scent. So I really just kind of like just mist it over myself and go to bed. I also love body sprays. Bath and Body Works is definitely a fave. So anything to just mist yourself with at night, it's nice and relaxing. You get in the bed, you smell great, you feel great, you've taken your shower or your bath and you've done all this skincare, you feel rejuvenated and you're ready to get a full night's rest. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any products that you guys might recommend for me to go ahead and try. I really want to thank you guys for checking out this video. I'm definitely looking forward to doing more videos. I love home decor, so I'm looking forward to kind of doing anything like that on my channel. I want to meet my family. Hopefully we can make a couple vlogs and do that. I'm actually right now on a fitness journey, so if you guys are interested, I would love to share that with you. I'm actively in it, so you know, I always love to see people who are actively in it and kind of watching them as they progress. So if you guys want to watch that, let me know. If there's any other videos you guys would like me to do, you want to get to know me a little bit more, I would love to get to know you guys. So please comment down below and let me know. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'm definitely looking forward to making more videos. And I'm really hoping to kind of try some other things on this channel. So let me know if there's anything that you want to see from me, lifestyle wise. I'm definitely looking forward to making more videos. So thank you guys again for watching. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.